trying if you have not tried already. So first thing you're going to need for this are some creatives that you wish to test. I am going to be testing these 4 creatives here, which are all variations of my keychain product that I am selling. These are using different music, different copy, they're just a few different pieces of text that have similarities. So we're going to be testing against them to see if we can get a performer. So sweet. Let's hop into TikTok ads here, and I'm going to be creating these inside of a campaign that I already have. But if you don't have a campaign, you want to just hit create and create a new campaign. So what are we going to do inside of this campaign? Well, we're going to go and hit this create button here. And I am now going to name these creatives. I'm going to simply copy the name from my video. So my video folder. And we're just going to say this is 1 through 4. Excuse me. And then we're going to go websites, TikTok pixel. Obviously want to select your pixel. Want to click on complete payment. And we want to navigate over here. I like to go select placements, unselect these, and deselect search. And then in advanced, I like to just remove video download. Cool. Now, as far as our demographics go, let's go here. I'm going to be targeting the United States and Canada. These are where we primarily sell to. I am going to be targeting all genders because this is a product that can be gifted. And it's a unisex product. And I'm going to be targeting people that are between the ages of 18 and 44. Now, inside of the actual audience section itself, and specifically down here where we have the interests and behaviors, what we're going to be doing is creating what I like to call a hashtag and interest stack. Now, I mentioned this in a few other videos. This has been my bread and butter for a very long time. I don't see enough people talking about it. So how do you do this? You simply go over here and you start typing in things that are inside of your interest. You can do hashtags. Let's do those first. You do hashtag like dog, for example, for me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go down this list, and anything that, looks relevant at all for me, I'm going to go ahead and add as a hashtag to target. And you can see it's super simple. You literally just go down this list. And I like to add anywhere from 20, 30, even 40 different hashtags. Really, the more hashtags you add, the bigger your audience is going to be. And you're going to see at one point it's going to stop here. You switch it up, right? Like I'm going to go pop. So we're going to go Puppy Love, Puppy Life, Puppies of TikTok. So I'm just going to go ahead and add, puppies here. So you can see I have about 40 here. Just as an example for what a third variation switch might be. We could say like golden retriever. No? Okay. Let's say poodle. Maybe? No? Okay. I'm gonna leave it at 39 then. Sweet. So that is what we want to do for the hashtags. Now for your interests here, I'm going to just go ahead and go down to pets and just select like pet toys, pet food. And let's see if we have, we have dog treats as an interest. We have dog food as an interest. Let's see what other interests we have. So you can see there's a difference between interests and hashtags. I like to stack them both inside of this testing ad set. So I think this is good for now. We're going to go down to the budget. I like to start these at $20 a day. This is nice and low budget for anybody looking for like a low budget testing strategy. Day parting, I leave this all day. I'm going to leave this on value, and this is all looking good. So I wouldn't make any changes here, wouldn't make any changes here, and I'm just going to go from the top and make sure I have everything and put it as I want it. can do hash. You know, I like to just make sure that I know this is a hashtag interest stack. But good. One thing you can do, this is optional. You can go down here to audiences and you can exclude people that have purchased your product within a given time period. So you can see I'm going to go ahead and exclude people that have purchased within 180 days. And this is just to ensure that you're really targeting top of funnel cold traffic that hasn't heard of your product or from you before, right? Let's go hit next over here. And this is now where we're going to be prompted to create our ad creative that's going to be running. So we're going to go ahead and turn on smart creative ads. This is just going to allow for a much more I don't want to say uniform testing, but it's going to be able to mix and match copy and video much more effectively. So I like to keep that on. Let's go ahead and hit on upload, and we're going to go ahead and select our 4 variants that we're going to be testing against each other. And we're going to hit upload. Now, while these are uploading, let's go ahead and grab our URL that we're going to need. We're going to be selling this pet face keychain. So I want to just copy that. Down in the destination, just paste that in there. And now for our text, this is going to really be trial and error to identify what works best for you. We've seen letting people know about the discounts we're running work really well. So I'm going to keep that variable static for us, and I'm going to say up to 65% off. And I'm going to make sure these creatives are all good. Let's go ahead and play one of these so you guys can see what we're going to be running. Oh, Cinco Day, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely. So tell me why you can let me in. I'm getting tired. Get yours today. So that's what I'm going to be running. Essentially, you want to do this for every single group of creatives that you have. I have a bunch here that I'm going to be doing. And that's it.